Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the belt has power and the watch is awake. This saves time. Once charged to 30% or more, clean the band and your wrist so sensors sit flat. Next, turn on Bluetooth and location on your phone, then switch the belt and watch into pairing mode. Press and hold the side button for 3 seconds. Make sure the watch shows a pairing code. This confirms both devices can see each other, so start the connection now. Now you focus on pairing and fit. Choose the belt in your phone or watch Bluetooth list and confirm the 6-digit code shown on both screens. Once paired, adjust the strap so it is snug but comfortable. Aim for about a half-finger gap to allow circulation while keeping sensors against skin. Align the optical sensor directly on clean skin. If hair or sweat blocks it, reposition or wipe both surfaces. These steps ensure accurate finish by syncing and confirming everything works. Open the companion app and let it upload data for 1 to 2 minutes. Make sure you allow permissions and accept firmware updates when prompted, because updates fix issues. If the belt shows no readings, restart the watch, phone, and belt, power cycle each device, and try repairing. Make sure battery levels are above 30% during updates. If problems persist, check app permissions for sensors and Bluetooth. Often a denied permission blocks data flow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.